Welcome back to Learning with a Difference News Headlines in English for 9th of August. And first of all, national news. Jharkhand Chief Minister summoned for questioning in money laundering case. Manmohan Singh, 91, attended Rajya Sabha in wheelchair during Delhi Services Bill discussion. WHO flagged batch of contaminated India-made cough syrup found in Iraq. Graves a barrier for Jindal Steel's $2 billion South African iron mine. Over 100 hectares of forest land diverted for development work in Delhi in 15 years, data showed. Now, international news. Travesty of justice. Imran Khan challenges conviction in corruption case. About 1,400 evacuated as wildfire rages in southern Portugal. Drought empties reservoirs, forces limits on water use in Spain. Heat wave, overflowing toilets hit South Korea's Kursk Scout Festival. 13,000 people evacuated in German city after World War. Second, bomb found. 2,600 flights cancelled, thousands without power as US braces for storms. Now, sports news. Pension suspended since 2017, retired Pakistan cricketer got relief from PCB. Inzamam ul Haq wanted Mickey Arthur and Grant Bradburn to continue with Pakistan cricket team, a report said. Steve Smith to open for Australia against South Africa in T20 career first. Colombia defeated Jamaica in the Women's World Cup. Benfica striker Goncalo Ramos signed for Paris Saint-Germain. Karolina Pliskova, Victoria Azarenka won WTA openers at rain-hit Montreal. PV Sindhu gained 2 spots. Kidambi Shrikant slipped to 20th. Now, business-related news. Sensex dipped 5.42 points in early trade, Nifty up 2.40 points. Wheat prices jumped to 6-month high due to limited supply, robust demand. Now, news related to science. Mars spinning faster, day shrinking on red planet, NASA said. Infectious diseases becoming more lethal due to air pollution, a study said. And that's all in news. Thank you.